Everything you must know if you want to buy land. You need to get ready because this is going to be your step-by-step guide for buying land, focusing on the what, why, when, where, and how of buying land. For many of us, buying land is completely new and full of questions, from endless paperwork to focusing on surveys and rights. That's what we're here for, to simplify everything and answer all your questions. This is also the first video of the Frequently Asked Questions series. So for the next episodes, we're going to be sharing everything you must know if you want to buy land. So let's dive into the what's of buying land. What does buying land really mean? Imagine picking your own private slice of freedom. Buying land isn't like buying a house. It's a daring adventure filled with quirky challenges and a few surprises. At its core, it all starts with one powerful question. What do you want? Before you even start looking at listings, ask yourself, what do I want this land for? Do you crave a safe haven for your family, or a cool spot to park your RV, or an off-grid retreat that inspires your creativity? Grab pen and paper and write down your must-have, like your ideal climate, the security of the neighborhood, that unique vibe that makes your heart race. Your vision is the roadmap that would lead you to the perfect spot. What options are out there? Let's explore the unusual choices available. There is residential land, perfect if you're ready to build a lifetime home where every sunrise feels inspiring. There's agricultural land, ideal for creating a sustainable garden or a private off-grid retreat that feels secure and authentic. There's also recreational land, your personal escape for epic weekend adventures, whether it's camping or simply enjoying nature. There's also commercial land, for those daring enough to spark a new venture with a flexible plan that adapts to your vision. Each of these options comes with its own details, and knowing this helps you tap into a property that truly fits into your lifestyle. What are the must-know details? Let's break down the essential facts that keep your investment safe and verified. Hidden costs. Beyond the price tag, be prepared for fees like surveys, permits, taxes, and environmental tests. Knowing these details now can save you time later. Titles, reports, and legal documents might sound boring, but they are essential to keeping your deal secure. Zoning rules. These guidelines reveal what you can and can't do with your land, ensuring your plans can come to life safely and easily. What steps must you take? Here are the clear, actionable steps to guide your journey. 1. Research the property. Check online resources like discountlots.com to see zoning restrictions, soil type, and nearby amenities instantly. 2. Get a professional survey. A detailed survey maps out boundaries and reveals any potential quirks. Think of it as your land's personal checkup. 3. Investigate zoning and permits. A quick call or visit to local authorities can tell you exactly what's allowed, keeping your plan secure and verified. To sum it up, understanding the what of buying land is your first daring step towards creating a secure and inspiring future. By defining your vision, exploring your options, and knowing every essential detail, you're settling yourself up for a smart, safe investment. And if you're looking for exclusive land deals with low down payments and no credit check, discountlots.com offers some truly tempting deals. In our next episode, we will dive into the whys of buying land, exploring the motivations, benefits, and potential pitfalls behind this powerful investment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop your what questions in the comments. Imagine, create, and secure your future right now.